Hello and welcome students to the class of Moral Science. Today we will go through chapter number 5, that is money management. So students, we will talk about money management. Money management refers to the processes of budgeting, saving, investing, spending or otherwise overseeing the capital usage of an individual or group. The term can also refer more narrowly to investment management and portfolio management. Now students, come to the chapter. Before that, we will talk about objective of lesson. That is to educate the students about basics of money management. To develop the habit of spending money carefully. To make them understand it needs hard work on money, and to make children understand that saving is one of the financial lessons. Now come to the chapter. Chapter name is Spend Wisely. So students, it is unit 3, family and community, the money management, and the chapter is Spend Wisely. Ankush and Rahim were best friends. They shared joys and sorrows with each other. Ankush belongs of rich family and Rahim was of middle class family. Ankush got good pocket money than Rahim. Despite this, Ankush wishing every time for more money and Rahim was never short of money. Ankush always spent his money on eating chocolates, ice creams, etc. etc. Every time he asked to his parents for the treat when they went for outings. One day, in the lunchtime in his school, Ankush asked Rahim to go with him for a new movie running in town. He said, "Do you accompany me for the movie this evening?" Then Rahim replied, "I am afraid I can't do that, Ankush." Now, then Ankush annoyed and said that Rahim don't like anything, neither ice cream nor movie, etc. etc. Suddenly, he asked Rahim that what he do with his pocket money if he don't do these things. Rahim did not reply anything. Now one day, Ankush showed Rahim a new mobile phone which he bought one day before and its cost was 20,000 rupees. He asked Rahim to buy the same phone as there is discount on this phone, but Rahim has denied because he had his old phone which his father has given him last birthday and it was good enough for him. Only he has to make and receive calls, so it is okay for him. Now it was hard time come because half yearly exams were approaching and Monday was the last day for depositing fees of examination in the school. Now Rahim stood in the queue at the counter but he couldn't see Ankush anywhere. So he paid fees and called Ankush that why he has not come today for submitting fees as it was the last day. The Ankush cried and replied that he has spent all his money in buying other things which his father has given him for the fees. Now he don't have any money to submit examination fees. Students, now he said to Rahim not to tell anything to his parents as he was ashamed of doing this. Then Rahim suggested him to tell everything to his parents. That day Rahim couldn't sleep. He was constantly thinking about his friend. Finally he decided something and then he slept. Now on next morning, Ankush didn't come to school. Rahim was very much worried about his friend. He has gone to the class teacher and said that Ankush is unwell, so he sent examination fees. And in this way he has submitted Ankush's fees. Teacher has charged extra 50 rupees for late fee. Now Rahim took receipt in the afternoon. After that, Rahim went to Ankush's home in the evening and given him receipt. Now Ankush was so glad when he come to know about Rahim's act of kindness. He thanked Rahim so much. Now Ankush realized the consequences of wasteful expenditure. Rahim told him the importance of money, that how he saved his money, and by this he was able to help Ankush, and also told that why he was not wasting his money because he had to buy a computer by his own pocket money. Now Ankush hugged his friend that he has spent all his money for Ankush, which he has saved to buy computer. Now a year and a half passed, and Ankush invited his friend Rahim to show something, and there was drastic change also in Ankush, that he left all the bad habits and was a changed boy now. When Rahim came to his house, he took him into his room and given a gift to him. When Rahim saw that gift, he couldn't believe it was a brand new computer. Rahim was overjoyed to see it. Ankush said that he has bought it by his own pocket money, which he has saved. This time Ankush felt pride by saying this, and Rahim hugged his friend and thanked him. So students, here the moral of the story is that if you don't know how to care for money, money will stay away from you. And it is said by Robert T. Kiyosaki. So students, never be proud of money and don't spend money in wasteful things. You should know to spend money in good things. So try to save money and use it for good work. So students, money management is all about spending intelligently and saving even more intelligently. So here your chapter 5 is completed. Now students, do your question answer and exercises. We will meet in next chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.